In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your contacts into Klaviyo. By the end, you'll have a clean list in Klaviyo and be ready to use it in campaigns and flows. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your Klaviyo account and a CSV file of contacts that you're allowed to email. Your file should include a header row with clear column names like email, first name, and last name, and only people who have given you permission to contact them. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to your dashboard. Once you're in, go to the audience area. This is where all your lists and segments live and where you'll manage subscribers. From there, open lists and segments. We're going to create a dedicated list first, which keeps your contacts organized and makes future targeting easier. Click Create New, then choose Create List. Give your list a clear descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it at a glance, like newsletter subscribers or customers 2025 Q4. If your workspace uses tags, add a few that will help with filtering later, such as import, newsletter, or a campaign theme. Tags don't affect emails themselves, but they make organization and reporting more efficient over time. When you're happy with the name and tags, confirm by creating the list. With the list created, open it and choose Upload Contacts. You'll see the option to drag and drop your CSV or browse to upload it. Double check that your CSV is formatted properly, one contact per row, no extra blank columns, and a single column for email that contains valid addresses. If you include additional fields, keep the column names simple so Klaviyo can recognize them. It's best to avoid special characters and headers and make sure there are no merged cells. Upload your file. Klaviyo may prompt you to confirm how each column maps to profile fields. Ensure your email column is matched to email and match other fields like first name and last name as needed. If you see fields you don't need, you can skip them. Review any options shown, such as updating existing profiles instead of creating duplicates, and make sure you're only importing contacts who have opted in to receive email. Click Upload to start the import. Klaviyo will process the file and show you a completion message. If any rows fail, download the error report, correct your CSV, and upload again. That's it. Your contacts are now in your list and ready to use in campaigns, welcome flows, and segments. Save your CSV and naming conventions for future imports, and you'll have a smooth, repeatable workflow every time.